Well, here we go. Dr. Dementia 469. Plasma is available. And we're going to try and get T11's available. But we've got to build the institute first. So we're going to take a look at a couple of different things because I've seen multiple spreadsheets and I've seen multiple videos, and I'm still not convinced of all the different ways. So after the headquarters reaches plasma level 1, Advanced Scientific Research Institute can be built and the more powerful will be unlocked. Okay, so let's go here. And I want to take a look at a couple of different things. Let's go here, build, farm, institute. Okay. We found number system. Brilliant. Now it's time to build. And here we go. Build, institute. And let's put it right there for now. And so now the next step is, hang on, let me take a look. Okay, so if I want to upgrade this, I need 15,000 plasma plus those resources, and it's 1 day. And I've got to get, doesn't show me anything there. And then let me see, what is research? So that's going to have to be to build the troops, I guess. We'll have to wait and see. But I want to go back, and this is what I want to do. I want to go back. I want to look at upgrade. It's 1 day, 4 hours, 45 minutes. So let's pause for a minute, and we're going to get a couple of things done. If, looking here, increases March capacity. Yeah, we're going to change a few things around because we want to get construction and research by 20%, but it only gives me a 5-minute window. Okay, so we're going to pause for the cause here and then try and get a couple things. Okay, so what I did do was go back and change my talent tree. And previously it was at like 1 day and 4 hours. Now that jumps it down to 19 hours and 23 minutes. And this should give me my new construction by 20%. So, I guess that's pretty much step one. All right, let's go. And we're gonna upgrade, and then we're gonna go to speed up. I just want to see what happens here. Okay, now that gets me there. And if I upgrade again, I can. So let's do that. Let's do this because I've got the bios. So we're going to put it in and we're going to blast through and boom and boom and boom and boom. And from 2 to 3, 3, 3, 3, where am I? A million times. Well, how much? What do we got here? 290. I got no idea. Let's stop for a minute and take a look at a couple of other items. I don't want to bore you, so let's do that.